Guys, before we start, please make sure you stay until the end. We'll talk about common mistakes people make when checking fuses, relays that can cost you thousands of dollars in repairs. Stay with us, we'll explain what it is. Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Super quick, very helpful video for any of you trying to find fuses, relays for the engine starter on Volkswagen Tiguan 4th generation. Guys, please do not waste any money on parts, tools, diagnostics, buying new starters until you watch that video. It could be quite simple fix. We'll talk about that, and after that, guys, if you need to buy any replacement parts and tools, we'll guys share the information in the description of the video below. Check it out and you can see where we get most of our tools and supplies from as well. Let's start on it now. Before we start, guys, every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. We show you how to fix engines, transmissions, bodywork, fuses, relays, all that stuff. Now guys, that generation Volkswagen Tiguan will have many hidden fuses, fuse boxes, different fuses, mega fuses, relays that are not accessible. That's why, guys, we made one special video that's called Volkswagen Tiguan fuse box location and diagram video that can save you thousands of dollars in repairs. Check it out, it will be on our website. Now guys, we will be making video about every single fuse, every single relay in that car. Let's say you're in the middle of nowhere, you need to find where your fuel pump fuse is located. All you have to do, come to the channel, watch for a minute or two, replace the fuse, you're back on the road. Our mission is to save you money, guys. That's why we made more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels that can save you thousands of dollars in repairs. Oh, and by the way, guys, if you need to buy any replacement parts and tools, check out, we'll share the links in the description of the video below, guys, and you can see where we get most of our tools and supplies from as well. Let's start on it now. So the engine starter, fuses and relays, where can you guys expect to find them? We'll talk about that now. If you want to see how to test an engine starter, we have multiple videos on our YouTube channels, okay, and how to replace engine starter brushes as well. But here, when we open the hood now, guys, okay, facing the engine, let me support it here on the right side. That's on the driver's side. We have a fuse box with a layout like this one under the cap, guys. Before we continue, let's explain quickly why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. So guys, now let's talk about common mistakes people make. When people see a fuse, okay, let's say they pull a fuse and they try to check it out, okay, they look at that fuse, okay, and they assume, okay, it's good, it's bad, but sometimes you cannot clearly tell if a fuse is good or bad. And you think it's a good fuse, you put it back in, you start wasting money on parts, tools, diagnostics, module, and you go to repair shops for something that could have been quite easy fixed, such as a bad fuse. So always test your fuses, quite easy, guys. By the way, if you want to see, we have a special video on the channel how to test a fuse, but it's quite simple and often, okay, you can actually even test fuses without removing them to figure out, guys, okay, if these fuses are good or bad. For instance, mega fuses, there is no way that you can check if the fuse is good or bad. The only way is to test them, guys, to find out, okay, if these fuses are good or bad as well. Very important. Now, if you want to see how to test a fuse, detailed video how to test a relay, we have special videos about that, and we'll share the information in the description of the video below. Here, guys, okay, we recommend to check your big fuses just in case. Right here, okay, check the 30 amp big fuses, test all of them, because some ignition switch fuses may cause that problem too. If you don't know where the ignition switches are located, we have the video on the channel. But you see these mega fuses, guys, okay, go ahead, guys, okay, you see the amperage next to them. For instance, this one's 40, okay, but test all of them, because it's very likely you may have a fuse there for the engine starter as well. Now, you have another secondary one that's known as fuse number 14 inside, and a relay as well. Under the steering wheel on the left side, that's a hidden fuse box here. By the way, you have many hidden relays, not just these ones, some really hidden ones behind the dash. We have a special video that's called VW Tiguan fuse box location and diagram video that can save you thousands of dollars in repairs. Check it out, it's on our channel. Here we need to check fuse number 14. Okay, we're talking about that fuse right here. The number of the fuses will be with very little numbers listed right underneath them. Fuse number 14 will be the one that we need to check, and relay number 2. Okay, this green relay right here will need to be checked. Those are the main fuses, relays that we need to check for the engine starter on that Volkswagen Tiguan. But always check your ignition switch fuses and relays and engine computer fuses and relays. If you don't know where they're located, we have the video on the channel that will teach you about that as well. As you saw guys, okay, this Volkswagen Tiguan has all kind of different fuses, mega fuses, standard fuses, mini fuses inside the car. You have different relays, mega fuse packs, all that stuff. If you want to see where you can buy replacement parts, tools, fuses, relays, guys, we'll share the information in the description of the video below. Check it out. Our mission in the garage is to save you as much money as we can. All we need in return, guys, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, that way we can keep making these absolutely free videos for you. Hopefully the video will be helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. We'll have video about every single fuse relay in that car. Thank you for watching. See you guys next time.